How to create cinematic-style videos using VEO 3. Google's VEO 3 is creating the most realistic AI videos we've ever seen, with people struggling to tell them apart from actual footage. But most people don't know how to actually access and use this technology. I've been testing VEO 3 extensively and figured out the exact process to get started. By the way, VEO 3 is completely free for students until the end of 2026. How to get access, what it really costs, how many credits each video uses, and the exact steps to create videos, we'll cover in this video. Welcome back to bitbias.ai, where we do the research so you don't have to. If you want to know how to create amazing videos using VEO 3, this video is specifically for you. I've been testing VEO 3's features and subscription options thoroughly to bring you only the insights that have real evidence behind them. After extensive testing, VEO 3 actually delivers on creating high-quality videos from simple text descriptions. Let's dive into exactly how to use this tool step by step so you know exactly what to expect. Introduction to VEO 3. Today we'll learn how to turn your ideas into stunning 8-second cinematic video clips using Google's VEO 3 AI model. You simply type what you want to see, and VEO 3 creates professional-looking content with proper camera angles, lighting, and synchronized sound effects or music. Getting started. From Gmail to VEO 3 access. First, you'll need a Google account through Gmail. VEO 3 requires a Google AI subscription through Google One. Go to one.google.com and you'll see two options, Google AI Pro at $20 monthly or Google AI Ultra at $125 monthly. Students get Google AI Pro completely free until 2026. Here's the step-by-step process. Log into Gmail. Navigate to Google One at one.google.com and select either AI Pro or Ultra. Pro includes a 1-month free trial before charging $19.99, while Ultra starts at $124.99 monthly. For people wanting to test VEO 3, sign up for the Google AI Pro free trial and get the full 1,000 credits for 1 month completely free. This gives you enough credits to create 50 videos using VEO 3 Fast or 10 videos using VEO 3 Quality without paying anything. Once subscribed, access VEO 3 through Google's Flow app at labs.google.com/flow or through the Gemini AI interface. In Gemini, you'll see a video button in the prompt bar. In Flow, sign in and click Create a Clip. Flow with VEO 3 is currently only available to US subscribers, with more countries coming soon. If Flow isn't available, the Gemini app gives you VEO 3 Fast on Pro subscriptions and full VEO 3 access on Ultra. Understanding AI credits. Your Google AI plan comes with monthly AI credits that pay for each video generation. Google AI Pro gives you 1,000 credits monthly, while Ultra provides 12,500 credits. Credits reset monthly and don't roll over. Here's the math. Each 8-second VEO 3 quality video costs 100 credits, but VEO 3 Fast only costs 20 credits. With 1,000 monthly credits, you can create 10 quality videos or 50 fast mode videos. Ultra subscribers get access to both modes with significantly more credits. Google AI Pro, 10 videos using VEO 3 quality at 100 credits each, or 50 videos using VEO 3 Fast at 20 credits each. Google AI Ultra, hundreds of videos using either mode. Ultra subscribers can purchase additional credit top-ups, but Pro users need to upgrade their plan. Demo, generating cinematic videos, OpenFlow's Video Creator, or Gemini's video mode, and type your description. Your writing makes all the difference. Instead of a person walking, try an epic chase through a futuristic neon city at night, rain-soaked streets reflecting colorful lights, wide-angle shot, dramatic camera pan, Thunder and a pulsing synth soundtrack are heard. Choose between VEO 3 quality for highest quality or VEO 3 fast for quicker generation. Select 8-second length, then click Generate. The process takes seconds. Then you'll see your completed video with flying cars, neon signs, rain effects, and the requested audio. Another example, a close-up of an old swordsmith hammering a glowing blade on an anvil. Warm forge light, detailed camera focus on sparks, acoustic hammering sounds, and soft ambient music. This creates completely different styling with appropriate lighting and sound. If results aren't perfect, tweak your prompt and try again. Each generation uses credits, so be thoughtful. Flow includes scene builder and camera controls for more precision. Crafting effective prompts with ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to refine prompts before generating videos. Ask, write a cinematic movie prompt for VEO 3 about your idea. This gives well-structured descriptions that VEO 3 interprets accurately. Set scenes with specific details. Instead of a person walking, try a lone astronaut striding across a red Martian desert at sunrise, carrying a helmet. Cinematic wide shot. Specificity helps create compelling visuals. Camera angles make huge differences. Mention wide shot, close-up, aerial view, or tracking shot. Add lighting descriptors like dramatic low light, golden sunrise, or warm firelight. Specify technical details like filmed in 16mm for vintage feel or 8K resolution, high quality for modern crispness. Since VEO 3 generates audio, include sound descriptions like epic orchestral music and roaring thunder. Write naturally using everyday language. Describe what you see and include emotional context. ChatGPT example refinement. A high-angle wide shot of a medieval knight galloping across a sunlit field toward a distant castle. Detailed focus on the knight's armor, reflecting golden light. Clanking armor and galloping horses sounds, with heroic orchestral score. Final tips and wrap-up. Experiment and iterate. Small prompt changes create dramatic effects. Changing close-up to wide shot or adding dramatic lighting completely transforms results. Flow TV shows example clips with exact prompts. Study these to understand successful prompt structures and get inspiration. Monitor credit usage, especially early in the month during experimentation. Failed generations don't count against credits. You get them back if VEO 3 can't process requests. Be patient with the learning curve. AI video generation can be unpredictable, but practice and prompt refinement create stunning results. You now have everything needed to start creating cinematic AI videos with VEO 3. With Gmail and either Google AI Pro or Ultra subscription, you can turn ideas into motion pictures. Go ahead and experiment. The results might surprise you. And if you want more honest AI reviews like this one, subscribe to our newsletter at BitBiasedAI. We cut through the hype to give you the real story on every major AI release.